In this video, let me show you how to fix Letterboxd app not saving reviews. So if you're trying to add in reviews of a particular movie and if the reviews are not being saved, let me show you a couple common fixes that you can try out. The first thing that you can immediately do in this situation is try to remove the app of Letterboxd from the recent app list. So make sure you remove it. So close the application and make sure you open up the application again. If this first step is not working out for you, the second thing that you can do is try logging out of the platform and then logging in back. So once you do this restart and re-login process, most of the times you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to clear the app cache. So simply tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and tap on clear cache. Once you complete this step, again check if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is uninstall Letterboxd from your device and again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will be fixed. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.